everyone, this is Dr. Ward and Coach Tio. Today we are going to demonstrate the Bretzel stretch. Our goal with this stretch is to increase thoracic rotation and flexibility while also opening up the chest here, okay, and stretching out the pec. So let's get on the floor, Coach. So what he's going to do, he's going to start on his back, and then we're going to use this foam roller here. So he's going to bring his right knee all the way across his body onto the foam roller, just so. So what we want to look for here is we don't want to be too low. We want to make sure that hip is above right there, okay? And then you also get on that other side how he's reaching out to his right, keeping that scapula nice and flat, and he's also looking over his right shoulder. So what he's feeling right now is a great stretch right through here and even into that glute, all right? And so that's going to help us there. So now that he can do this, we can progress on to level 2 of this stretch. So we're going to remove the foam roller. He's going to grab his hand here, and he's also going to grab his other leg. So we're going to get some quadriceps stretching there as well. So this is the more advanced level 2 version of it, we call it. So what we're going to do is he can do this for 90 seconds, and then he's going to do the other side as well, obviously. So just to recap, this is the Bretzel stretch. Move free, humans.